If you're in your 40s or 50s, this might be the most important financial video you watch this year. Most people believe retirement plans fail after retirement. They don't. They usually begin falling apart before retirement ever starts. And here's the surprising part. It often happens when people are earning the most money they've ever made. That doesn't make sense until you understand what's really happening. The biggest threat isn't a stock market crash, it isn't inflation, and it isn't choosing the wrong investment. It's a mistake that quietly grows for years without looking like a mistake at all. Have you ever looked at someone who earned a great income for decades and wondered, how are they still worried about retirement? You're about to find out. At the end of this video, you'll understand why retirement plans collapse, how to spot the warning signs years in advance, and what you can do today to avoid becoming part of the statistics. Because once you see the real problem, you can't unsee it. But first, let's talk about the one thing that tricks almost everyone into believing they're financially ahead when they're actually falling behind. Let's begin with the illusion of progress. Here's something most people never question. If your income doubles, shouldn't your financial future become twice as secure? It sounds obvious. But for millions of people, the opposite happens. Your 40s and 50s are usually your highest earning years. You've built your career, you've gained experience. You're finally making the kind of money you dreamed about years ago. Then something changes. Not your paycheck, your lifestyle. The house gets bigger, the car gets newer. Vacations become more expensive, insurance costs increase, healthcare costs rise. Children become teenagers, then adults, then college arrives. Suddenly, every raise already has somewhere to go before it even reaches your bank account. Here's a visual way to think about it. Imagine filling a bucket with water. Every raise pours more water into it, but every lifestyle upgrade drills another hole in the bottom. You keep pouring in more. Yet the bucket never fills. That's why income doesn't create retirement. Margin does. The money you never spend becomes the money your future depends on. Ask yourself this: if your salary increased by 20% tomorrow, how much of it would actually stay invested? Or would your lifestyle quietly expand again? That's the question that separates financial freedom from financial stress. But lifestyle inflation isn't the biggest threat. There's something much more dangerous because you can't schedule it. And when it arrives, most people aren't ready. Moving on next. Let's talk about the risk nobody plans for. Most retirement calculators assume one thing, that your financial journey will be smooth. Real life almost never is. Careers change. Companies downsize, health changes. Parents age. Unexpected bills appear. Life interrupts the plan. Here's what's fascinating. Most retirement plans don't collapse because of one catastrophic event. They collapse because several smaller interruptions happen close together. Miss a year of investing. Delay increasing your savings. Take money out early. Carry expensive debt a little longer. None of those decisions feels devastating on its own. Together, they quietly change your future. Think about an airplane flying across the ocean. If it changes direction by just 1 degree, it lands in a completely different country. Retirement works the same way. Small financial decisions repeated over 10 or 20 years create dramatically different outcomes. So here's a question. Are your daily financial habits moving you toward retirement? Or just maintaining your current lifestyle? Because there's one factor that determines whether unexpected setbacks become temporary or permanent, and almost nobody talks about it. Most people think financial security means having more money. It doesn't. It means needing less from every paycheck. There's a difference. Here's the surprising part. The strongest retirement plans aren't always the largest. They're the hardest to break. Imagine two bridges. One is longer, the other is stronger. Which one survives the storm? Your finances work exactly the same way. Strength comes from flexibility, an emergency fund, low interest debt, consistent investing skills that remain valuable. Spending below your means, none of those sounds exciting. That's exactly why people ignore them. But boring habits create extraordinary results over time. Have you noticed something? The people who seem calm during financial uncertainty usually aren't lucky. They've simply created options, and options reduce stress. So instead of asking, how much money do I need? Try asking, how resilient is my financial life? That single question changes everything, but there's still one mistake that quietly destroys more retirement plans than almost any other. And most people repeat it every single year. Do you have an idea of what the most expensive sentence in retirement planning is? The answer is, I'll start later. Later feels harmless until you realize what later actually costs. Every year you postpone saving, you aren't just losing 1 year. You're losing every year that money could have continued growing. That's the hidden price. People underestimate time because they can't see it working. Imagine planting a tree. For years, it barely changes. Then one day it's providing shade that lasts for decades. Investing works the same way. Growth feels invisible until it isn't. Have you been telling yourself you'll increase your retirement savings after the next promotion? After the kids graduate? After the mortgage is smaller? After life finally settles down? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Life rarely settles down. There will always be another reason to wait. The people who retire comfortably aren't necessarily the people who earned the most. They're often the people who stopped waiting, but here's the good news. Even if you've made some of these mistakes, one advantage is still completely under your control, and it's more powerful than finding the perfect investment. You don't need a perfect retirement plan. You need a plan that improves every year. That's the difference. Financial success rarely comes from one brilliant decision. It usually comes from dozens of ordinary decisions repeated consistently. Spend a little less. Save a little more. Increase your investments every time your income increases. Avoid unnecessary debt. Protect your emergency fund. Review your retirement plan once a year instead of assuming it's still working. Small adjustments. Massive long-term impact. Think about steering a ship. The captain doesn't wait until it's miles off course before making a correction. Tiny adjustments made consistently keep the destination the same. Your retirement deserves the same attention. So let me ask you one final question. If you continued making the exact financial decisions you're making today, where would they take you in 10 years? Would your future self thank you or wish you had changed course sooner? That's the real purpose of this video, not to scare you, but to help you recognize the warning signs while you still have time to respond. Because retirement plans rarely collapse overnight. They drift off course quietly, one decision at a time, one delay at a time, one unnecessary expense at a time. The encouraging news is that the opposite is also true. Financial freedom isn't built overnight either. It's built through small, intentional decisions that compound over years, and that's the advantage you've gained by watching until the end. Most people spend decades believing retirement success depends on finding the perfect investment. Now you know the truth. Your retirement is shaped far more by your daily habits than by your market predictions. Change the habits, and over time you change the outcome. Your future isn't decided by what happened over the last 20 years. It's decided by what you choose to do next. And that choice begins the moment this video ends. See you in the next one.